Adventure!
Hey! I'm Guava. I have a very tropical scent that fills the whole room.
I have 4 times more vitamin C than an orange. I'm a real immunity booster.
Try me for a tropical treat that makes you feel amazing. Bye! Aloha! I'm Papaya. I'm a taste of the tropics, sweet and soft. I have special enzymes that help your digestion and keep your tummy happy. Enjoy me chilled for a refreshing and healthy start to your day. Hello, everyone. I'm Nectarine, a smooth operator and super juicy. I'm a great source of vitamin A, which is wonderful for your skin and vision. Grab me for a sweet and healthy treat. Stay juicy. Hey, kids! I'm Mandarin. I'm small, easy to peel, and super sweet. I'm full of vitamin C, helping you stay healthy and energetic for school.
A perfect little snack for any time of day. Stay bright and happy!
Hi there! I'm Persimmon. I'm the honey-sweet treasure of the autumn season. I am loaded with vitamin A and minerals that help keep your eyes and skin glowing. Hello, I am Fig. I'm a very ancient fruit with a super sweet secret inside.
I have lots of calcium and fiber to help your bones grow strong and your tummy feel good.
I'm nature's candy. Take a bite and enjoy the sweetness. Hey! I'm red grapefruit. I'm bigger, bolder, and beautifully pink inside. I'm packed with lycopene and vitamin C to help your body fight off germs.
Wake up your taste buds with a splash of pink. Stay fresh.
Hello, I'm yellow grapefruit. I'm the classic, tangy start to a perfect morning.
I help balance your metabolism and keep your heart pumping healthily every day.
A little tart, a lot of health. Keep it fresh, my friends.
Hi, I'm Lime. I may be small, but I bring a giant burst of freshness to everything. I am great for your skin health and help your body absorb iron from your food.
Stay zesty and stay green. I'll see you in the kitchen.
Hey, I'm the lemon. I'm the secret ingredient that makes every dish pop.
My high acidity helps cleanse your body and gives you a powerful boost of energy.
When things get sour, just add a squeeze of me. Catch you later.
Hey everyone, I'm Avocado. I'm creamy, dreamy, and super healthy for you. I'm packed with good fats that keep your heart strong and your skin glowing.
Enjoy me in salads, on toast, or just by myself. Stay fresh and healthy.
Greetings! I'm Date. I'm a sweet treat from the desert, full of ancient wisdom.
I give you natural energy and fiber, perfect for a quick and healthy boost.
I'm a natural energizer. Have a sweet and wholesome day.